If you're playing Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl on PS5, you've just killed the poltergeist in Lab X18. You watch the Strelic cinematic. And then suddenly, no! Your game crashes. Well, you're in luck because I had the same exact problem, and here's how I fixed it. Just load up your last save, and towards the end of the cinematic, I recommend waiting until you hear Stalker. And all you have to do is hit the start button. Hey, if this video helped you out and you want to thank me, do me a solid and hit like, and please subscribe.